Have you ever wondered why your body suddenly grows taller, your voice changes, or why you start feeling different emotions? Well, that's the magic of adolescence. Today, we are going to explore the exciting journey of growing up in the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Now, what is adolescence? Adolescence is the stage of life when a child grows into an adult. It usually starts around the age of 11 and continues till about 18 or 19 years. Now, during this period, our body and mind go through many changes, and this stage is also known as teenage years. Adolescence begins with the puberty. Now, puberty is the time when our body becomes capable of reproduction. The major changes that occur during puberty are increase in height and weight, then change in body shape. Boys develop broader shoulders, girls develop wider hips. Then the voice changes, then growth of hair under the arm and in the pubic region, then development of reproductive organs. Skin become oily, sometimes pimple may appear. Then they face emotional and mental challenges like mood swings. Sometimes they are very happy, sometimes they are sad, sometimes they show anger, right? And they will be curious to know each and everything. They need independence. So all these are the changes that takes place during puberty. All these changes are normal and important for being an adult. Now let's study what are the changes in girls happens during puberty. Hips widen to prepare for childbearing. Then the breast develop. Voice become high pitched or sweeter. Ovaries mature and start releasing eggs. Menstruation begin. That is the monthly cycle or we call it as a period. So these are the common changes that occur in girls. Now let's see what are the changes that occur in the boys. Their shoulders become broad, then the muscles develop more strongly. Then there will be a growth of facial hair, the beard and the mustache. Then growth of hair on chest. In some boys, we can see hair is growing on the chest region. Then the voice becomes deep due to the enlargement of the larynx, that is the voice box. Then the testes grow and start producing sperm. Testis is basically the male reproductive organ. Do you know what controls these changes? Basically, the answer is hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers secreted by endocrine glands. They travel through the blood and control different functions of the body like growth, development, and reproduction. The pituitary gland in the brain is the master gland and it releases the hormone that triggers the puberty. In boys, the testis produces the testosterone which controls the changes like facial hair and deep voice. While in girls, the ovaries produce estrogen which controls the changes like breast development and menstruation. Now, what is menstruation or periods? Menstruation is basically the monthly cycle in females in which the uterus sheds its lining of blood and tissues through the vagina if the egg is not fertilized. Let's now understand the menstruation process. So, in girls, once every month the ovaries releases an egg. At the same time, the uterus prepares a thick lining filled with blood vessels to support pregnancy in case the egg gets fertilized. But if the egg is not fertilized, this lining is not needed. So the lining breaks down and comes out of the body through the vagina in the form of blood and tissue. This process is called menstruation or simply we call it as periods. Menstruation usually lasts for 3 to 5 days and the complete cycle repeats 28 days on an average. Now it is important for the girls to maintain hygiene during menstruation by using clean sanitary pads or menstrual cups, then changing them regularly, bathing daily and wearing clean clothes. This helps prevent infections and keep the body healthy. So menstruation is a natural and healthy process showing that the female body is ready for the reproduction. Now let's understand how the sex of a baby is determined. Now every human body cell has a nucleus that contains a thread-like structure called chromosomes. These chromosomes carry our hereditary information. Now humans have 23 pair of chromosomes. Out of these, 22 pairs are same in both males and females. And the 23rd pair is special, and that is known as sex chromosome, because they decide whether the baby will be a boy or a girl. Now in females, the sex chromosome are XX, and in males, the sex chromosomes are XY. So during reproduction, the mother always contributes an X chromosome through her egg. The father contributes either an X or a Y chromosome through his sperms. If the sperm carries X, the child will be XX, that is a girl. And if the sperm carries Y, the child will be XY, that is a boy. So it is actually the father's sperm that determines the sex of a child, not the mother. And this process is natural and purely biological. Since adolescence is a period of rapid growth, we need proper nutrition like proteins, ions, calcium and phosphorus, vitamins and minerals. So all these are important nutrients that has to be followed in our diet. Then they must take care of their health and hygiene. So bathing daily and wearing clean clothes prevents infection. Then exercise and sports keep the body strong and improve the confidence. Then menstrual hygiene is very important for the girls. Then good sleep and relaxation are also essential for a healthy mind. Adolescence is not only about physical growth. Teenagers also experience emotional changes. They may feel mood swings, curiosity and stress. They seek independence and try to develop their own identity. Sometimes they feel confused, but this is normal. So at this stage, guidance from parents, teachers and friends is very important. Then they should learn about the reproductive health. Avoid harmful habits like smoking, alcohol and drugs. Respect your own body and that of others. Make safe and responsible choices for your healthy future. So remember, adolescence is a stage to learn discipline and responsibility. So, adolescence is a beautiful journey where you grow, learn, and transform into an adult. It may seem confusing at times, but remember, it is a natural part of life. With good habits, nutrition, and confidence, you will step into adulthood successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science lessons made simple. See you in the next chapter. Thank you for watching.